Hey guys. All right, I thought I would read the questions and maybe clarify some directions for the quiz. This is the one-step equations quiz for multiplication and division. Make sure you have a space to type in your name. If I do not have your name, I will not know you did the work. So make sure that you have a space to put your name. Um, Kind of ignore the question numbers on this, guys. I took screenshots of task cards and they had pre-created numbers on there. So don't worry about the numbers, but just go ahead and answer the question. So this first one says, solve the equation 9x equals 117. Now I want to remind you guys that when you have a 9, or not a 9, but a number and a variable next to each other like that, that means they're multiplying, okay? So just keep that in mind, and what the inverse operation of multiplication is. Wink, wink, wink. Okay, next one. Solve the equation 14z equals 266. Next question. Z divided by 25 equals 5. So now we need to know the inverse operation of division. What's the inverse? What's the opposite of division? Okay, next question. X divided by 9 equals 7. Okay, last question is a short answer response. It says Levon sold 4 times as many raffle tickets as Kenneth. Levon sold 56 raffle tickets. Write and solve an equation to find how many tickets Kenneth sold. Okay, so important information. We have 4 times. Use your math reference sheet that's in the slides to help you remember. Oh man, when it says times, what kind of math am I doing? Okay, and then we need to think about what is the variable. The variable, the number we want to find out, is how many tickets did Kenneth sell? Okay, so think of a letter, maybe a T, okay, to decide how many tickets. And then Levon sold 56. So that might be like what your equation equals. So write an equation, then solve the equation. Let's keep that variable as a t. I think that makes sense. At least it does to me. If you pick a different variable, you pick a different variable. But I think t makes sense. Okay, so I need an equation and what the variable equals, what t equals, in order to get full credit for this question. Okay, guys, that is it. You're all expert learners and you are genius, just pure genius. All right, have a happy Friday.